Home invasion, a growing threat. The world can be a dangerous place. We see it every day on the news. Crime is on the rise. Homes are being targeted. It's a harsh reality we can't ignore. We need to be prepared. Safe room, your temporary sanctuary. A safe room is your stronghold. It's a place where you and your loved ones can retreat to in times of danger. Whether it's a natural disaster, a home invasion, or any other emergency, having a designated safe room can provide peace of mind and a sense of security. It's a fortified space in your home. This room is built to withstand various threats, from severe weather conditions to potential intruders. The walls are reinforced, the door is solid, and the windows, if any, are shatterproof. Every detail is designed to keep you safe. It's designed to buy you time in a crisis. In those critical moments when every second counts, a safe room can be the difference between safety and danger. It's a place where you can wait out the storm, both literally and figuratively, until help arrives or the threat passes. Think of it as a temporary shelter. It's not meant to be a permanent solution, but rather a stopgap measure that provides immediate protection. Stock it with essential supplies like water, non-perishable food, first aid kits, and communication devices. These items can sustain you for hours or even days if necessary. It's not about engaging the threat, it's about delaying them. The goal is to create a barrier between you and the danger, giving you precious time to react. Whether it's locking the door against an intruder or hunkering down during a tornado, the safe room is your buffer zone. This gives you time to call for help. In an emergency, communication is key. Use your phone or any other communication device to alert authorities or loved ones about your situation. The safe room provides a secure environment where you can make these crucial calls without fear of being overheard or interrupted. It could be the difference between life and death. In the aftermath of a crisis, the relief of knowing you had a safe place to go can be immense. Emergency services can reach you more easily, and you can emerge from the safe room knowing you did everything possible to protect yourself and your family. A safe room is more than just a physical space, it's a sanctuary that offers hope and security in the most trying times. Gearing up tools and materials for fortification. Building a safe room doesn't require fancy gadgets. Use what you have. Strong doors are key. Solid core is best. Reinforced door frames with metal plates. Heavy-duty hinges are crucial. Long screws through the frame into studs add strength. These are simple but effective measures. Building your fortress step-by-step fortification guide. In today's world, ensuring the safety and security of your home is more important than ever. Whether you're preparing for a natural disaster, a potential break-in, or just want to feel more secure, fortifying your home can provide peace of mind. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to transform your house into a well-protected fortress. Choose a room with limited access points. A bedroom is ideal. Reinforce the door. Start by installing metal plates and using long screws to secure the door frame. This makes it much harder for intruders to kick in the door. Additionally, consider upgrading the locks to high-security models. Deadbolts and smart locks can add an extra layer of protection. Install a door barricade like the Durade System. These systems are designed to withstand significant force and can be easily installed on most doors. They provide an additional barrier that can deter even the most determined intruders. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation to ensure maximum effectiveness. We'll talk more about that later. For now, let's focus on the basics. Lighting is another crucial aspect of home security. Ensure that the exterior of your home is well lit. Motion sensor lights can be particularly effective in deterring potential intruders. They not only illuminate dark areas but also alert you to any movement outside your home. Cover windows with heavy curtains or plywood. Windows are often the most vulnerable points in a home. By covering them with heavy curtains, you can prevent outsiders from seeing inside. Plywood can provide additional protection, especially during severe weather conditions. This not only prevents shattering but also adds a layer of insulation. This prevents shattering and visibility. Have a communication plan. In case of an emergency, it's essential to have a way to communicate with the outside world. Make sure everyone in your household knows the plan and has access to a phone. Regularly check that your phones are charged and have a list of emergency contacts readily available. Keep a charged phone and a flashlight inside. In the event of a power outage or other emergency, having a flashlight can be invaluable. Place it in an easily accessible location such as a bedside table. Regularly check the batteries and ensure it's in working order. A charged phone is equally important as it allows you to call for help if needed. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your home and ensure the safety of your loved ones. The Durade system is a game changer. It's a portable barricade system. It installs in seconds. It creates a physical barrier against forced entry. It buys you precious time to think, to react, to call for help. This system can be a lifesaver. Reinforcing the perimeter, extra layers of security. Don't stop at the safe room door. Reinforce windows with security film. Install deadbolts on all exterior doors. Use longer screws for hinges and strike plates. Trim bushes and trees around windows. This eliminates hiding spots for potential intruders. Time is your ally, buying precious minutes. Every second counts in a home invasion. Your goal is to delay the intruder. The longer they're kept at bay, the better. It gives you time to reach for help. It gives authorities time to arrive. Remember, survival is about being prepared. Beyond the safe room, a holistic approach to home defense. When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, a multi-layered strategy is essential. It's not just about having a single line of defense, but creating a comprehensive system that works together to keep intruders at bay and ensure peace of mind. A safe room is just one layer of protection. Install a security system. A robust security system acts as a deterrent to potential intruders. It can include alarms, sensors, and monitoring services that alert you and the authorities in case of a breach. The presence of a security system sign alone can make a burglar think twice before attempting to break in. Motion detectors and alarms deter intruders. These devices are designed to detect unusual movements and trigger alarms that can scare off intruders before they even get close to your home. They can be strategically placed around entry points such as doors and windows to maximize their effectiveness. Consider security cameras for surveillance. Security cameras not only help in monitoring your property, but also provide valuable evidence in case of an incident. Modern cameras come with features like night vision, motion detection, and remote access, allowing you to keep an eye on your home from anywhere in the world. Good lighting around your property is crucial. It eliminates hiding spots. Proper outdoor lighting can deter criminals by making it difficult for them to approach your home unnoticed. Motion-activated lights are particularly effective as they can startle intruders and draw attention to their presence. Be aware of your surroundings. Regularly check your property for any signs of tampering or unusual activity. Get to know your neighbors and establish a community watch program. A vigilant neighborhood is one of the best defenses against crime. Report suspicious activity to the authorities. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, don't hesitate to contact the police. Prompt reporting can prevent crimes and help keep your community safe. Remember, a holistic approach to home defense involves everyone working together to create a secure environment. Stay vigilant, stay safe. Your next steps. Don't wait for an incident to happen. Take action now. Assess your home security. Identify vulnerabilities. Implement the steps we've discussed. Remember, your safety is your responsibility. Be prepared, stay vigilant, and stay safe.